Welcome to the September 11th, 2017 Advance Report for NetWorthRadio.com listeners and McGowanGroup Asset Management clients. The impact of both the Hurricane Harvey as well as Irma are getting built into the financial markets. Jose's right behind, and potentially one other storm. Puerto Rico without power completely reported at the end of the week. Gasoline prices. You can see here that the long-term downtrend in gasoline ended about June 15th. The spike was to actually $2.14 on the highest day, closing the week near $1.65 per wholesale gallon, a massive decrease after the gas prices began to moderate all across the country. Now, commodity indexes are going to be important because shortages of raw materials actually could be the theme for the financial markets, and it may be commodity inflation reverses the long-term downtrend that we've seen as far as deflation or disinflation. This is evidence. This is Owens Corning, obviously sheetrock, building materials likely in short supply, not just for a year, but as much as 2 or even 3 years. But you can see the huge spike here from 65 to over 75 this week in Owens Corning and other building materials providers. We saw this actually after the other hurricanes like Katrina, where construction bottlenecks were absolutely huge. For example, Austin construction was absolutely almost shut down as workers went to repair Katrina. So you've got construction labor shortages, commodity shortages, likely to be the theme for the rest of the year. West Texas Intermediate crude spikes this week from $46 to about $49 on Friday, the close this week. What's intriguing is the refineries came back online. This downtrend reversed very, very quickly for West Texas Intermediate crude. Could it spike to over 50? Potentially next week. Now we go to the 30-year Treasury. With inflation probably heating up, at least in the commodity market and construction wages. Well, look, interest rates still bizarrely low. The 30-year Treasury at the lows of the week, below 2.7%. That is one of the conundrums for 2018, and we'll cover it this weekend in the Long Play program at NetWorthRadio.com. Okay, here we go on currencies. Bitcoin has been in the news. We're going to do a special section on cryptocurrencies and the regulatory impact. The cryptocurrencies also have an impact on gold, as well as the emerging currencies besides Bitcoin. You can see this incredible uptrend hitting nearly 5,000 from a low at the beginning of the year, a low below 1,000. Wow, that's 5 times, and it's getting a lot of attention, but there are some dangers that we'll cover this weekend. Now we go to Ethereum. Ethereum had a huge downtrend here, and now for the year, up substantially, correcting. Well, the regulatory impact of what People's Bank of China did, Alex has got a special report this weekend at NetWorthRadio.com. Thank you for joining us for this week's Advance Report, and McGowanGroup Asset Management clients, thank you, and we'll cover the 2018 strategy in detail this weekend with also a special update at NetWorthRadio.com.